Jersey. We're setting blowing smoke here, Joe. Propagation over here from your side to the UK is very, very strong today. As it blowing smoke from all over the stateside, QSO. Matty?
I'm upside.
Okay. Okay, Joe, a 919, Joe, a 9019. There's another station in the UK, a 767, a Matthew is on the side there, so I'll pass them over to you there, Joe. 919, a 73 is 876. You've got a 747 on the side, waiting for the QSO here. 73 is the UK. Okay, 747, I see the station's kind of distorted in there, kind of taking you out now. But we'll give you 73 tonight talking to you. 919 New Jersey, we're on the side.
How about it, 919? How about it, 19? 919 New Jersey. Do you copy 767 England, over? How about it, stateside 767 England? How about it, stateside? How about it, stateside 767 England?
I don't like the way it pairs up the frequency. You're very distorted. I hear you here in Jersey, but you're very distorted. You're wobbling all over the frequency. Straight out the radio, check the power supply. Number one, New Jersey on the side.
How about it, stateside? How about it, stateside 767 England?
26, United Kingdom, Golf Lima 2-1, we stand by.
How about it, stateside? How about it, stateside 767 England?